going to show you, I have to replenish my cream of soup base. I use it's like a cream of any kind of soup starter. And it's a really nice recipe for it, and I use it all the time. So I am out, and I need to make more. So I figured I'd do a video and show you how I do it, because it's easy. And there's my big, I love mixing stuff in this because look at how pliable it is. I can use it for a funnel when I pour it in my jar. Okay, so first thing first is we're gonna need 4 cups of powdered milk. Okay. There's 1, 2, I got just enough. Yep. I should have figured that was just enough. 4 cups of powdered milk. And then I'm going to do 1.5 cups of cornstarch in with this. And I need to get a big spoon. Just a minute. Alright, so I'm going to need 1.5 cups of cornstarch. So I'm just going to measure this out. Just like so. Alright, there is 1 cup. Okay, and there is a 1/2 cup. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of my minced dried onions. These are my home dried onions. I think I probably should put my camera on just a hair. These are my nice minced ones. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of this. There's 1 and 2. Okay, got that in there. And we're going to use a tablespoon of thyme. Oh, and I love thyme. This stuff is wonderful. There's 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. I'm going to use a tablespoon. I use sweet basil. And this is the kind that I grew. This is my own. Oh my gosh, oh, that smells wonderful. I grew that and dried it myself. I do that with a lot of my herbs. So we're going to need 2 tablespoons. It only calls for 1, but I put 2 in. I love this stuff. Then I am going to put a tablespoon of my parsley. And I grew that as well. So, okay, now we're going to need 1/2 cup of chicken bouillon. If I can get this open. This is brand new. So we're going to use 1/2 cup of that chicken bouillon. Okay, and then we're going to use just about a tablespoon of pepper. And there you have it. We're going to mix all that together real nice. This is wonderful. You can take this and you can make, you can add dehydrated mushrooms or regular mushrooms, it don't matter, but you can add mushrooms and make cream of mushroom soup. You can add celery to it for cream of celery. You can make any cream of soup you want with this. You can use it for potato soup. You can use it to thicken stuff. It's wonderful. I love it, and so does my family, and it's so easy to put together and quite inexpensive. Okay, so here we go. You're going to see how this works. We're going to pour this right in here. I'm going to get my other funnel. I'll be right back. I just don't want it to go flying because about the time I try to show you, it's going to go flying. There we go. This stuff is wonderful. There we go. Now that's going to last me for quite a while. And that's fantastic. There you have it, friends. Easy to put together, very inexpensive, and a wonderful pantry staple to have on hand. There you have it. Something quick and easy. Thanks for watching.